Welcome everyone to T3G. This is App Spotlight. I'm Dalibor, and today, oh boy, today we tackle the white whale. Today we're taking a look at Gimp. Coming up. Alright, now to give you some background on why I have such a less than positive impression of Gimp, I've tried to use Gimp over the years when I didn't have Adobe products to use, and every single time it's ended with massive frustration on my part. But I will be honest, I'll be transparent in saying that more often than not, this has been when things have been on a time crunch. Last minute thing, need to get something done, need to execute something, and I would turn to Gimp if I didn't have Adobe Photoshop available on the spot. So what I'm going to do today is, with no time frame in mind, I'm gonna, as I do, create this week's thumbnail inside Gimp, and we'll see how that goes, and I'll give you my kind of non-time compressed impression of Gimp. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so took some doing, but I pretty much have a perfect reproduction of the logo that I would have from Photoshop. I will say that Gimp is probably the closest. I don't want to say it's a perfect analog. I did have an issue just now with the last little piece. I like to make the, if you guys have noticed on the thumbnails, I like to make the text and or the logo that I put in glow, just to kind of make it stand out. I was only able to do a drop shadow. I wasn't able to find the correct kind of glow feature that I wanted for the layer. Still not sure if it exists. I did some research. I don't know. Haven't found any evidence of it so far. Otherwise, it is a fully featured image editing program. Really, once you know where the tools are, what the shortcuts are, it becomes serviceable, it becomes usable, and I think it's something that if you don't have Photoshop, if you don't want to pay for Photoshop, definitely get into this, learn this, because I've seen some incredible work done with Gimp. It's incredibly fully featured. It's, you know, the controls are not the same as Photoshop, which I think is where the disconnect is for me, but overall it's fully featured. I can do anything I need to do in it. It's just a matter of learning where all the correct tools are. Down below in the description, you will find links to the Gimp website and the Gimp tutorial section. They go through everything, they explain everything, plus there's an entire user base, people who have been using Gimp for years, and many of them have created all sorts of tutorials and guides. And of course, searching YouTube is definitely an option. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I've provided some sort of insight on this now that I've actually had a chance to really use it and not try to do something last minute and be frustrated with it. I will reduce Gimp from my white whale to just another program that I've taken a look at and that I at least know now a little better how to use. If you like the video, please do hit that like button. If you are not subscribed, just right down there, right down Get down that way. Hit that subscribe button for me. Join the family. We've got a bunch of new stuff coming up, and I know I said it for last month. This Sunday will be a full update video on the channel, but this month we are launching our fiction series, so that's something to look forward to, and another reason to be subscribed. Seriously, I mean, I don't know what else to give you. I don't know what else to give you. Anyway, like if you liked the video, dislike if you didn't like it, drop a comment, let me know why if you didn't like it, and make sure you come back here next week for another App Spotlight. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one.